California shawty, it's just me, I'm trying to start a party. Say my love for you.
Hey guys, it's Tori. So today, as you can see by the title, is going to be client makeup. Not really, because it's just my friend. But basically, my friend Matavia, pop your head in here. Hi, Matavia. I'm doing her makeup basically because I've never done it before, and every time she spends the night, we plan on doing it, but we never get around to doing it.
Yeah.
So basically, I'm just gonna do her makeup. She's just gonna sit here and look pretty, and I'm gonna make her look
Gorgeous?
extra pretty. But yeah, that's basically what's happening. I'm looking a little bit rough, I'm sorry, but basically she's making me film this. I talked about filming it, and it's like, I don't feel like doing it, and she's like, no, you're doing it. So it's basically where we are. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face if you are new. Obviously hit the subscribe button. We're working our way to 800, so yeah. But other than that, I'm gonna shut up and let's get started.
My team from barking, 7 a.m. in the morning. She's calling, I'm yawning. She's jarring. No
Oh, sis! I did that. I literally did. I'm so good at makeup.
I know!
I'm so proud of it. Go best friend, that's my best friend. That's my main bitch, that's my fucking best friend. If she got a problem, then we got a problem. If she got a problem, then you got a problem. She gonna twerk, 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 twerk that ass like it's a fucking birthday, bitch, twerk that ass. That's my best friend, that's my fucking bestie. Can't fuck with you hoes cause they messy. Pull up to the party, got everybody lit. I can what do you think?
I love it.
Of course, because I did it.
Oh, I really like the highlight a lot, like just temporary. Is this side ready?
Okay, so basically, down to the business. There is none.
Down to the business, you have very good talent.
Oh,
And I look freaking amazing.
and it was free.
Because I let my best friend do my makeup. And we're about to do another one.
Do you want me to?
Yeah, why not?
Okay. We're going to be up till 1 in the morning doing
Yay!
makeup, basically. But I hope y'all enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, right?
Yes.
Yes. We're going to
To
film
her
another...
face.
Yeah, to my face. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face. We're going to film another video. 3 videos in one day, guys. Y'all are fucking lucky hoes.
Can we just say that I'm going to be the first, like, to like this? I'm going to be the first, like, anyways.
Okay.
Okay.
On that note, I love y'all so much. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face once again. And I will see you hoes next time. Bye, guys.
I can